15 amazing health benefits of Moringa tea to boost your immune system. Welcome to Jada Therapy. Moringa tea contains vitamin E, vitamin C. Moringa is also caffeine-free. 15 amazing health benefits of Moringa tea to boost your immune system. Anti-inflammatory, antibacterial, antimicrobial, fights free radicals, regulates oxidative stress, treats diabetes, lowers bad cholesterol, improves cell damage in the body, improves cardiovascular system, prevents plaque formations in the arteries, supports brain health, treat Alzheimer's diseases, protects the liver, improves healing in the body, improves the immune system. Thank you so much for watching. Please remember to like and subscribe, and for more information check out the links in the description below.